It's welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are gonna walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Indonesia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the embassy website of Indonesia and India, and they have a link our services where I have online visa application. Now here they have described about e-visa where you can just obtain visa via email and you don't have to go to nearest embassy. Of course, it depends on a lot of other eligibility criteria too, but it's a very simple process. But there is a catch, like what they have said that to apply for an e-visa, each foreigner must have a sponsor, company, travel agency in Indonesia. That means, as per the information here on the on the embassy website of Indonesia and India, you cannot do it individually. But still, we'll walk through what are the things that we can do. Okay. So here they have the link and the types of visa, one-time travel visit visa, single trip, a lot of such things. Okay. For e-visa, for you can apply for under these kind of visa. Fine. Now let's open this. Okay. All right. So what are the things we have? Guarantor registration. So this is the place where your sponsor, like your company, travel agency, oh, they have given a PPTS. That's fine. Will apply. Oh, they have these are just the PPTX. Fine. So it should begin from here. Okay. Login and register. We have the information here. First, you're going to register. Okay. Make sure you have a guarantor identifier to submit visa online. If not, please do the registration below. Okay. Yeah. So first it has to be registered and then they're gonna apply. And then yeah, see, they have these options here. And then if it is granted to you, then you can travel. So that is what it is. And unfortunately, because I cannot move beyond that, I cannot show you beyond that, but you got an idea of the overview. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.